Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita.
Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for future video notifications.
In this video, I'm going to talk about a few things that I ordered from Amazon. So I've been seeing videos on YouTube of people reviewing Amazon lehengas and I really wanted to try one for myself. So I've ordered a lehenga for myself. This is how it came. I'm really sorry I've opened it up just to see how the entire lehenga could fit in this small packet. So this contains the lehenga. I'll show this to you in a while. I also ordered a jewelry set that came in this packet and also 2 clutches. So I'll show you everything starting with the lehenga. So I'll insert the picture of the lehenga here that I had ordered, and this is what I received. This is a semi-stitch lehenga. This is the blouse, the dupatta, and this is the actual lehenga skirt. This actually looks pretty similar to the one shown in the picture. It's a beautiful pink color lehenga. This has these beautiful cullies and this gold foil print on each cully. I hope you can see. This is a very shiny material. I'm not sure about the fabric. It is some kind of a faux silk fabric. It also has a duochromatic effect. It is sometimes orange and sometimes pink. And since it's an Indian festive wear, so I don't even mind the shine. I will have to wear it to see how the flare is. I don't think it will have a lot of flare. It will be like a maxi skirt. That is okay because it's not a bridal lehenga. This is of course semi-stitched. This actually comes with a lining attached to it. The lining is pink in color and it's plain, and but it is still quite see-through, so you will have to get something attached inside. It does not come with any can-can. I was not expecting a can-can. This is by the brand Xian and this lehenga was priced at rupees 750 and I had to pay 50 rupees for delivery. The model is definitely wearing a can-can skirt, so it's looking good on her. So if you attach a can-can to your lehenga, you will get a similar look. You can also buy a can-can skirt separately. That way you can reuse it with all your different lehengas, and that way you don't need to attach a can-can to your individual lehengas. Especially for the ones that are so inexpensive. You don't want to spend like 1500-1600 on stitching. So what you can do is you can get a can-can skirt separately. I had seen one on Amazon. I'll link it in the description box. You can get it for yourself and reuse that can-can skirt with different lehengas. If you do not want to invest in a can-can skirt, you can also wear it with your existing maxi skirt, and that way it'll add some flair to the lehenga and it won't fall so flat on your body. So you can definitely try that. And then we got a blouse piece. I was actually really surprised by this. This is also semi-stitched, but it has beautiful work on it. The work is quite neat and you can actually get this stitched and wear this. I was not expecting much from the blouse piece, but I am pleasantly surprised. So it has this work that will come in front and also on the sleeves. There is no fabric for the lining of the blouse. You will have to get it attached separately, and this material is not that good. It's those cheap quality raw silk material, but the embroidery is actually really good and you can actually get this one stitched. There are no loose threads or anything hanging from anywhere, so I'm really happy with the blouse piece. And they have also provided this separate kapda for the back. There is no work on this piece, so I don't know how that will work. Maybe if you can attach like really thin borders to the back, then I think you will be able to maintain the continuity of the design. So I'll definitely get this one stitched and show you how this looks in a video later, or maybe I'll share pictures on Instagram. So if you're not already, then please follow me on Instagram. Now coming to the dupatta, it is a georgette material, definitely not pure, but I won't say the material is too bad. It's really transparent though. The border attached is also not bad either. This is how the border looks. I will share a close-up so that you can understand the material better. It is okay for the amount that they are charging. For 800 rupees, I don't think you will get semi-stitched lehenga anywhere other than Amazon or maybe some other sites online, but I don't think if you go to an actual shop you won't get something for 800 rupees. So if you are on a budget and if you want to try out a lehenga and you're not willing to spend a lot, then you can definitely give this one a try. I don't think I'm super disappointed. I quite like this piece, to be honest. And I really like the skirt especially. This exactly looks like what they have shown in the picture, so I'm happy with that. Like, not only like a lehenga, I can use it like a maxi skirt and pair it with different tops and kurtas to create new outfits. This can be a good wedding guest outfit. You can also try this for your mehndi or sangeet, or if your best friend is getting married, you can try it for those functions. Pair it with some nice kundan jewelry and this will look really good. So this was the lehenga. Now moving on to the other pieces that I got. So I also got a jewelry set. This is by the brand iJewels. And this is how the set looks. It came just like this packet was inside this box and there was no bubble wrapping or anything to protect the jewelry. So if your jewelry breaks in transit, that is totally on you. You can definitely get it exchanged. They have not done anything to protect the jewelry from any kind of damage. So if you receive a damaged piece, do send it back because they should have at least bubble wrapped it. Having said all of that, I actually really like this piece and thankfully my piece wasn't damaged. I would have been heartbroken. So the set that I ordered consists of a choker necklace. This is how the necklace looks. I will insert a better picture. So it's a kundan choker with these pearl details. It has a drop right here. The choker is very well made. It is quite flexible, so it sits really well on the neck. It won't be too stiff.
And this is how the back of the choker looks.
And it also contains a pair of earrings and a mang tika. So this is how the earrings look. And this is the tika. I will try it on and show you all the pieces. So you can pair the entire set together or you can just wear it separately. You can wear the mang tika and the earrings together and also the choker separately. I think the choker is the standout piece. So if you wear the choker, I don't think you need anything with it. If you still want to, you can pair the earrings and the tika with it, but I think that will be too much. I have actually worn this choker in 2 or 3 of my other videos and a lot of you asked me where I got this from. So this one is from Amazon and oh, I did not tell you the price. This was for rupees 671. The actual price is actually 4,000, which is ridiculous, I know. And these pieces are always on discount, so do not pay more than 650 or 700 for this. And for the price, I think this is a must-have. For 650 or 700 rupees, you will not find a choker of this quality anywhere, even in your local markets. Only Amazon can do this. So for the price, I think this is an amazing piece. This will go with a lot of your Indian wear. Actually, this will go with everything. Unless your outfit has some silver work, this is a very versatile piece. You just need to keep the neckline of your outfit in mind. If you want to know more about pairing your necklaces with different necklines, you can watch my video on it. I'll link it in the description box. So I was so impressed with the jewelry that I went ahead and ordered 2 more clutches. So these are the 2 pieces that I ordered. Both of these clutches are by the brand Parizar and they were for rupees 598 each. The first one is a peach color clutch. It has golden sequin work on it and it has a big stone right here, and this is how it opens. It has a golden chain inside, which I think is a must in any clutch because
A clutch looks really good when you hold it like this.
but after a point your hand starts aching and you can't really enjoy the function. So it's really important to have a sling in any clutch. and when you're eating you can't really hold your bag and the plate and eat at the same time. So a sling or a chain with a clutch is a very practical thing to have, and so this one has it, thankfully. And another thing is that this fits my phone. The only thing that I was looking in a clutch is for it to fit my phone, a lipstick and some cash. So this one does fit all of that, so I'm really happy with this as well. The only thing about this clutch is that the front side has this beautiful sequence work, but on the back only half of it has the sequence work and the other half there is this embroidery but no sequence work. I don't know if this is the design or they just missed out on this, I don't know what, but I think this was a little weird that way. I know this won't be seen since it's the back, but I thought I'll still mention it. So this is how the second clutch looks. I like this more than the first one. It has a beautiful floral print and it has golden sequence work all over. And it looks beautiful. This also comes with a sling and a big stone on top. So this is how it looks. I'm really happy with it. The MRP mentioned is actually 4,500, which is like crazy. I would never pay 4,500 for a clutch, but for 600 I think this is amazing. And both these clutches will go perfectly with the lehenga that I bought, and also the set will go with the lehenga. So I'm really happy that I have a complete outfit with the lehenga and the jewelry with two bag options. The jewelry and the clutches I absolutely love, and I also quite like the lehenga. So I think overall it was quite a pleasant experience. And I'll definitely recommend that you check out lehengas and clutches and jewelry sets from Amazon. I will have the links to everything that I bought in the description box. So that is it for this video. Let me know if you want me to try out lehengas from some other website. You can also leave any other video request in the comment section. I will definitely try to make the videos that you guys want to see. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel. All my social media details will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.